Hello, here Akhil Srivastava teaching you math, physics of class 10, light, reflection and refraction. Mirror formula I have told you in the previous lecture. Here you give see the some example of NCERT, which is given in a convex mirror used for rear view. On an automobile has a radius of curvature 3 meter and a bus is located behind it 5 meter away from it. Find the nature, position and size of the image formed in the convex mirror. Mirror formula 1 upon B plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. In this example it is given, first the radius of curvature is given 3 meter. Radius of curvature is given 3 meter and the focal length you will find out by this. Radius of curvature gives you 1.5 meter. Because it is a convex, so due to the convex mirror, the focal length will be plus 1.5 meter. Positive. Convex mirror behind. Now, you will get the object distance which is called U. U will be minus 3 meter. Why? Always U will be negative because it is in front of the mirror. So, you calculate the position, size and nature. 1 upon B, 1 upon U, 1 upon U. Put the value with the proper sign convention. You will get the minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 1.5. It will be 1 upon B minus 1 by 3 is equal to 10 by 15. By removing decimal, 5 to the 10, 5 3 the 15. So, you will get here 5 meter, not U is given 5 meter, not 3 meter. So here you will write 5 meter. 5 meter. Distance is given 5 meter. So 1 upon B is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Take LCM, you will get 10 plus 3. That is 13 by 15. So 1 upon B is this, therefore B is equal to 15 by 13 meter. 15 by 13 meter, you are getting this, which will be B is equal to, what will you get? B is equal to 13 1 the 13 plus 1.13 1 the 13, 20, 13 2 ja means again 13 1 ja 20 and then 13 5 ja. Approx you will get 1.15 meter. 1.15 meter and focal length is given 1.5. It means it will be between pole and focus. You can also draw the ray diagram for this. So 1.15 meter you are getting the V. V is here. So what is the magnification? It is the position. Position you are getting pole, between pole and focus. Magnification you will calculate the magnification for the nature. So magnification is equal to H dash upon H, or you can get directly V by U minus V upon U. H dash upon H gives you minus V by U. What is the B? B is given 15 by 13. You can write minus 15 by 13. No need to put the value decimal. Upon what is the U given? U is given minus 5. This sign you will write. It is formula sign and it is this sign. Minus minus cancel. 15 upon 13 into 5. 5 3 the 15. 3 by 13. So 13 to the 0.23 approx. 0.23 approx positive value gives you, it is a virtual and diminished. What is virtual and diminished? Erect. Erect, positive sign, virtual, diminished and erect. Where it is between pole and focus, behind the object. Behind the object, virtual, diminished, erect, between pole and focus you are getting. It is the nature of the object. So how will you decide these things? You can draw the ray diagram for this by the convex mirror. When the object is placed, you are getting, it is a convex mirror whose focal length is this, it is f and it is r. Then pole is here, object is how much, 5 meter away. You are getting this ray which is like this, and you are getting this ray is reflecting. One ray you are taking which is here in the pole and it forms this angle. Then you produce it this side. What are you getting? Here you are getting the image. If the object is this, then image will be this. It is the ray diagram for this figure. It will be 1.5, it is 1.15. What is the V? V is positive. V is this. It is V and it is U and it is F. You are getting in this figure. V is here. V is between 1.15. What are you getting? 1 point. And what is the 1.5? 1.5 is this. So like this you can draw the ray diagram also. Next question is given. Example number 10.2. An object is 4 centimeter in size. An object is given. Example 2 of your NCERT. An object is given 4 centimeter in height. What is given? 4 centimeter. Example 2. 4 centimeter is height. H is given 4 centimeter positive. Y is 4 centimeter. Front of a concave mirror of focal length 15. Focal length 15 centimeter. Concave, it means minus 15 because of concave. Concave focal length is always negative. And it is also given at what distance the mirror should be placed. Then the order obtained a sharp image. Find the nature and size of the object. So 25 centimeter. Placed 25 centimeter. Is placed at 25 centimeter. U is also given. U is given minus 25 centimeter. It is given U. Object distance is given U. You want to find out the image size. You want to find out V and you want to find out H dash. So first of all you apply 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. 1 upon V plus 1 upon minus 25 is equal to 1 upon minus 15. So what is given? 1 upon minus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 25. Okay. So what will be the LCM? 75 is the LCM, minus 5 plus 3. So you are getting minus 2 by 75. So V will be minus 75 by 2. 2 3 are 6. 2 7 are 14. 2 5 are 10. 37.5. What are you getting? It is 37.5 centimeter minus. Minus means what? Your object is placed 25 centimeter and you are getting the image. It means object is where? Between focus and R, center of curvature. Radius, half of the radius is focal length. So according to this you can draw the figure also, ray diagram. So minus 37.5 centimeter is the object's magnification. You find out then what is the magnification? H dash upon H is equal to minus V by U. Put the values. H dash upon H 4 centimeter because positive, because direct always, minus V. V is given minus 70. Don't put the decimal value. Minus 75 by 2. U is given minus 25. So you will get this minus and minus cancel. So you are getting H dash is equal to 75 by 2 into 25. This 4 upon 4 is here. So what will you get? H dash is equal to 25, 3 are 75, minus 3 by 2 into 4. 2 2 are 4, minus 6. Magnification is minus. You are getting the H dash. H dash is minus means inverted. What you are getting? Inverted image you are getting. Negative sign means downward only. Inverted image, and it is a what is larger than the object. beyond C. What are you getting? The image is inverted and enlarged. Enlarged why? Because here 4 and it is 6. So inverted, enlarged and beyond C. Beyond C means 15 to the 30 and 37.5. Then beyond C. Beyond C you are getting. Beyond C you are getting this. Thanks and thanks for today. Next I will tell you in the next lecture. Okay, वो अभी ठीक है.